All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. Coming at you with another viewer request. I do those every week, so if you got any requests for a cryptocurrency, a stock, a strategy, anything you want me to explain a little bit more or cover, make sure to let me know in those comments down below. I'm doing them every week. All right, we're gonna jump straight into this one. But before I do, if you missed my last video on MOVR, okay, MOVR, Moonriver, where I break down the entire history of the chart, all right, make sure to watch that one. It's going to be a gem and you're really going to learn a lot. And we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into the update on the current price action. All right. So the last thing that I charted up was, this pattern in between here, this nice little triangle pattern. And, I said we need to hold this blue support line or we're going to be heading back down to 9.77. And if we break below there, we have some price targets to the downside of 6.4 and then 4.65. Okay, roughly in between that range is going to be the target of this previous bull flag, or excuse me, bear flag, right? And you can look and see, these bear flags have been playing out very, very nicely, right? Bear flag, boom, bear flag, price target hit, bear flag right here. Our price target is somewhere in between 6.4 and 4.65. All right. Now, the reason that those are our price targets is because we didn't break out to the upside. If we would have broken out to the upside, we would have been looking at 22, 25, and, so on and so forth to the upside if we would have broken this blue trend line. But what we did was we got a very clean, in my opinion, super clean break below, retest, and fail. Okay. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, what happens, all right, and most times when you are charting up patterns is you're going to see the breakdown and then you're also going to see a retest. It's going to come back and retest those levels. We came back up here and closed at here right below. We wicked up above, but it was not strong enough and we ended up closing below. So, it kind of looks like we could get, a little 5-wave pattern to take us, right? So we may come back down and test this level, bounce again, and then ultimately move down lower to the price targets that I gave below. All right. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick update on Moonriver. And if you want a more in-depth analysis where I really broke down the entire history of the chart, then make sure to watch that video. I'll go ahead and put it here at the end of this one.